Good morning, students. Today we will start with the Pythagoras theorem, problem set 2 from the question number 10. So question is, Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point. Suppose Pranali and Prasad is in the same point. Okay. So Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point and at the same speed also. Okay. So after 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2 kilometer. Find their speed per hour. So towards east and towards north. Okay. So here toward east and towards north they walked. So this two, when we were joining, okay, so it is what, 15 root 2 centimeter. So same 2 hours, after 2 hours they are the same speed, and after 2 hours distance between them. So distance between them is 15 root 2 centimeter. So this is, suppose we will label it as A, B and C. So here consider that Pranali, it starts walking to the east, reaches from point B to point C. Similar way for the Prasad also start walking from point B to A. Okay. So at the same speed only they both are, but they will cover the same distance in the same time. So here what it will be, AB will be equals to BC. That means suppose we will take it as X. So this is X and this is also X. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can find it. So direction are perpendicular to each other, both the directions north and east. So here we can use the Pythagoras theorem. If you are using the Pythagoras theorem over here, then we are getting that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So here AB and BC we have taken as X. So X square and X square. So 15 root 2 whole square here. So here what we are getting, 2x square, and here 225 multiplied 2. Correct. So here 2x square equals to 225 multiply 2. So 2 will be over, then x square equals to 225. That means x will be what here? X will be 15. Okay. So x is what? Distance. So 15 kilometer is the distance. Now as you know that here AB equals to BC equals to 15 kilometer we got. Now we know that speed equals to distance upon time. So here 2 hours is already given, distance is AB and R is 2 hours. That means AB we got 15 kilometer and here 2 hour. That means 15 kilometer upon 2 means 7.5 kilometer per hour. So the speed is, therefore their speed is 7.5 kilometer per hour. So question number 11 now. In triangle ABC, so first we will make it in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90 degree. Okay. So angle BAC is 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM. BL and CM are the medians. That means BL and CM. These are the medians of the triangle. So medians means it will bisect the line into two equal parts. So we will make the sign for which is equal. Okay. So CL equals to LA and here BM equals to MA. So now angle angle BAC. So here what is given? Angle BAC is given 90 degree. So put it equation 1. Angle segment BL and CM are the medians of the triangle. That means L is the midpoint of CA. If L is the midpoint of the CA, so what we can write it over here? That is AL equals to half of CA. Right? So put it equation 2. So if similarly M is the midpoint of the AB, if M is the midpoint of the AB, then what we can write it? AM equals to half of AB. Put it equation 3. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. So now we will take the right angle triangle and we will use the Pythagoras theorem over here. So we will use Pythagoras theorem, that is BL square equals to AB square plus AL square. So it is Pythagoras theorem. So you will write Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will just elaborate, expand. So AB square. So AL square already we got, that is half of AC square, correct? So here BL square will be equals to what? AB square plus AC square upon 4. This, because this 2 is 2 times multiply, so it is AC square upon 4. Put it equation. So BL square will be equals to 4AB square. 4BL square equals to 4AB square plus AC square. Put it equation 4. Okay. Then what we will take it, another triangle, that is right angle triangle. Which triangle? Triangle MAC. So here also we will use Pythagoras theorem, that is CM square equals to AM square plus AC square. So from Pythagoras only. Okay. So from Pythagoras we will find the value for CM square. So CM square, AM square can be written of half of AB square because M is the median. So here AC square as it is. So here AB square upon 4 plus AC square. So now again same how we have done for the earlier. So 4 CM square equals to AB square plus 4 AC square. Correct? So put it equation 5. After putting equation 5, then adding equation, which one? Adding 4 and 5. So adding 4 and 5, we will get 4BL square plus 4CM square equals to 4AB square plus AC square plus AB square plus 4AC square. That means 4 we will take it common here. BL square plus CM square. Here also AB square and this AB square. So 5AB square and here 5AC square. That means here also we can remove 5 as a common. Okay. And then here also same. We will write the same statement again. And then what we will do it, we will take it as a 6th equation. Put it 6th equation, and then finally the triangle ABC we will take it. So there angle B is what here? Angle ABC, that is 90 degree. It is already given in the question. So here triangle ABC where angle ABC equals to 90 degree. So there what we will do it, again we will use Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus AC square equals to BC square. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will write this. So this also put it equation 7. So from equation 6 and 7, which one? From equation 6 and 7, we can write that in place of AB square plus AC square, BC square we will substitute. So here 4BL square plus CM square equals to 5BC square. Hence proved.